here and welcome to my channel. So for today's video guys, we're going to make our homemade bread using 1 egg and a cup of flour, of course, a little water. In this situation guys, we have to be creative, or we have to make our own food, especially we are in the quarantine season and we have to make sure that we eat healthy and cost you nothing. Instead of buying the bread outside, why can't you make your own bread? Just a piece of egg and a cup of flour. We have to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I am not using the butter guys, so I'm just using olive oil. And mix that again. Add the flour. And you have to add a half cup of water, or a 1/4 cup of water, and mixed again until it gives you the better textures of dough. And now we have to wash my hands because this is the best part. We have to mix it using my hand. And here we go. So guys, you already made our dough today. Roll it over again until it gives you the beautiful textures, and cut it into pieces guys according to your size preferences. And now you are ready to make your homemade bread. We don't have the oven, so we're going to use the griller. We can have the Middle Eastern bread. So we have to use the griller like this guys. That's what I say, that we just need to be creative of how to make the bread, the Middle Eastern bread. We're going to switch on the electric griller guys. This is all around. You can use all around. You can grill chicken, beef, and now I am making a bread. Look at this, guys. It's very beautiful. Oh my god. And now, guys, we're going to prepare a tomato. This tomato with olive oil and salt and pepper to put at the top of your bread. So that's it, guys. It's very easy to make your own bread and very healthy. Using 1 egg and just a cup of flour, you can make like this with olive oil and the homemade bread. It's very crispy. And the textures, it's very delicious, guys. You know, when you are at home, you don't need to order anything. If you have a flour, a piece of egg, and olive oil, tomato, you have a meal. You already have a dinner or lunch. It's very tasty, guys. I swear, it's very tasty. I didn't have an oven. I used only a griller to make the bread like this. And thank you guys for watching. I wish that these small tips can help you a little, and see you in my next video.